Remember to avoid anything mattifying, a promise that's often made on products for oily skin. Skin is not designed to be matte. Your skin has plenty of time to be matte when you're dead. Noted. Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Welcome to my pampering video. You know, it's 2020. It's been a year. It has just been crazy. And I think we all need time to just sit and do things we enjoy and pamper ourselves and just relax for once. So I want to go ahead and thank Sid for this fabulous idea to film a pampering video. And if you saw part 1 of this, then you saw my drugstore haul where I went to CVS and then I went to Ulta and I bought some drugstore priced products to pamper myself. And I want to show you today how I use those products. So if that sounds interesting to you, hang tight. We're getting into it right now. All right, so we're starting off, of course, with a candle. Love these woodwick candles by Candles by Victoria. And I kind of hesitated to do this because, you know, feet, but I've always wanted to try one of these exfoliating peel things. They recommend that you wash your feet first before you do it, so follow in the directions. And this cleanser is from Soap & Glory. I actually really like it. It's a little thick, so it's kind of hard to get out of the bottle, but other than that, I really like it a lot. So drying off the feet and getting out these foot things, they kind of look like moon boots a little bit. It took me a second to figure out how to work them, but it's just got a seam in the middle that you rip apart and then you just stick your feet in them and it just feels like jelly socks is what it comes down to. And then the little securing tape is attached there, so they're super easy to use. All right, unicorn mask. This actually had a lot of really nice ingredients in it. Oh wait, before we do that, gotta put on the barriers. Gotta make sure I keep it out of my hair as much as possible. This smells so good. It's a strawberry scent and it actually has a lot of really nice antioxidants and humectants and things in there. And yeah, felt like a sparkly unicorn. And when I like to pamper myself, I like to have a little glass of wine, but of course, optional. Day drinking, you know, it's a thing sometimes. And very enjoyable when I'm relaxing. So this is Carolyn Hiron's book, Skincare, and I absolutely love this book. 10 minutes later, we're gonna go ahead and pull that off and put it in the bag. And of course, I like to rub the serum into my face afterward. Don't like to let any of that go to waste. Give myself a little facial massage. Now this is the new Pond's Rejuvenating Serum. I picked this up kind of on a whim, but it smells really bad. It actually smells like really floral perfume. It smells like very stereotypical old lady kind of scent. I did not enjoy that at all, but I used it anyway. And because I'm going to be masking with it, I put on an obnoxious amount just so that it's, you know, this thick layer of goop on my face before I put on the new face mask that I got. Now this is a silicone mask. Kind of looks a little bit like a G-string as it comes out, but it's not, I assure you. It is a silicone mask. It's reusable, they say, up to 20 times, and that's supposed to help the serum to seep into your face. I don't know if that's a real thing. And then it goes over your ears so that it stays on. So I just was kind of pressing it around my face and hopefully it works. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on some fake nails. I haven't done these since I was in high school, so I was really excited to try them. I've heard they've improved a lot, and I will tell you, these stayed on my nails for almost a week. I am very tough on my nails and I do pick at my nails. I was happy with them. I really enjoyed using them. I'm probably going to buy more. So the way that you put these on is you clean your nails with alcohol and then you push your cuticles down, and then you find the ones, of course, that match your nails and you unstick the back and then press them on. And they say the harder you press them on, the better they'll stay. I didn't find it too difficult to find the sizes for my nails, but I definitely had a lot that wouldn't have fit my nails, the ones that were too big, ones that were too small, but of course they have to make it so that, you know, anybody could use them. But I really liked the way that they came out. And of course, gotta get my another sip of wine, yum yums. The mask actually hurt my ears quite a bit, so I was actually really happy to take it off because, yeah, on my face, my ears were hurting. Now this is a Shea Moisture Oil and it says 100% coconut oil, but there's a lot of other oils in there that look really nice and moisturizing. So I'm giving myself another little facial massage and then moving on to a lip balm. Always got to do that. I was actually really disappointed in this. The little sticker that was on there, it's supposed to make it look more like a banana, of course, came off. It does not smell like bananas. It doesn't smell like anything. Really disappointed in that. And also, there really isn't a ton of product. You can see how hard I'm squeezing it, and there's no product coming out until I get to like there, and finally it comes out. It feels very petrolate to me. If you've ever had a Vaseline lip balm, it feels a lot like that. Extremely overpriced. Do not recommend this. If you want a very similar feeling product, just get the little Vaseline tubs for $2 instead of this little banana shaped thing for 10. All right, taking off the foot peel mask things. I just want to let you know my feet never peeled. They never did anything. I don't know if this even did anything. I would not recommend this foot mask at all. And yeah, that's my drugstore pampering routine. Not that good. At this point, my friend, it is your turn in the collective brain of makeup awesomeness, where we help each other not to buy crap and buy things that are totally worth it. What do you do to relax? What are your pampering steps? What do you do to just chill out and relax? Is it similar to what I did today? Which is not a normal routine. It was just things that I was trying that I picked up at the drugstore, but it was kind of fun and I quite enjoyed it. What do you do to relax? Let me know down in the comments down below. And if you would like to hang out a little bit longer, YouTube should be recommending some videos for you to watch over there. But if it is your time to go, completely get it, got stuff to do, totally understand, maybe you got a pampering routine to do. Thank you for hanging out as long as you did. Mad love to you, and I'll see you in a video very, very soon. Bye! But my mask is going in my eyeball. 1, 2, 3.